Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick look at the Lipo IMAX B6 charger. I just got this because I needed something that can actually charge my lipos and lithium ions and whatnot nicely. So, just real quick, in the pack you will get this little box, not this box, that box. Anyway, you get your user manual, and I guess that's really it. You get that, plus all these different connectors, cables, plugs, whatnot. I don't really want to go into depth with those. And then you get this stuff. So you get the power cord, I can't think of the name right now, and this is the one I'm going to use. It's the one I need. So I'll show you guys that. So basically, basically, you just want to plug the power cord, the one that goes to the wall. Oh crap. Sorry guys. You want to get the power cord going into the adapter. That's what it's called. Alright. Then you get the plug. And that goes in on the side here. So just plug that in. And when you're done with that, you got the two ports over here for your lead for this thing. So, sorry, let's get that over here. Plug that one in there, and that one there. Alright, and because this is a 2S, 2-cell, I'm going to plug that in. And plug that in right up there on the top. Oops, sorry. I think that's the way it goes in. But yeah. Plug it in like so. Right on the side. And then you plug that into there. Plug this into the wall. Get your settings. I don't feel like going into that. But yeah, you just go into your settings, set it as a lithium ion. Make sure you get all your restrictions and stuff set up on there, all your settings. But yeah, get everything set up, let it charge, and yeah. So far I've noticed it does charge this thing, oh gosh, in like 30 minutes or so, 30 minutes to an hour. It used to take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Just so you guys kind of see it. I don't know if you care to see what all it does. Just give you guys a little bit of everything so you can actually see it. I'll make sure. That was the one thing I really wanted to see, was make sure I can see all the different ports, and it's got some nice fins there on the back for cooling. Otherwise, yeah, one battery at a time, works really great. Love it. It's like 30 bucks or so, probably less. I definitely recommend it as just a cheap charger. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.